What's the meaning of casino? Casino. Casino.
Casino. Casino. A casino is a facility that provides various types of gambling activities to the public. These activities can include games such as slot machines, table games like roulette and blackjack, and sports betting. The main goal of a casino is to make a profit by offering games of chance where the odds are typically in the casino's favor. Many casinos also offer entertainment options such as shows, concerts, and restaurants. Despite the potential for big wins, most people who visit casinos end up losing money over time due to the nature of the games offered.